Try on the pants for defining your perfect length. Fold the hem inwards and pin. Iron, and make sure that your fold is an even width on both sides and around the whole ankle. Now fold the seam allowance inwards. Pin in place. Sew along the folded edge with a straight stitch. If you want, you can top stitch in about 6 to 7 millimeters next to the first seam for a nicer finish. You are now done. We hope you'll enjoy your new 46-1 Palazzo Pant by SisterMAG Patterns. We hope to see you again on our YouTube channel for more tutorials. You can find our sewing patterns in our shop at sistermagpatterns.com or check out our Instagram and Pinterest.